Why is breathing more important than you think? Picture yourself walking through a quiet neighborhood at dusk. The air is cool, the trees are still, and you begin to notice your steps in rhythm with your breath. Suddenly, the walk is not just exercise, but meditation in motion. Or imagine sitting at the dinner table, taking one mindful breath before you eat. The food tastes richer, gratitude naturally arises, and for a moment, life feels whole. These are not grand rituals, but small ways breath brings Zen into daily living. 1. Breath as the forgotten lifeline of modern life. Most of us rarely think about our breath. It happens automatically, so quietly in the background that we forget it even exists. Yet the way we breathe shapes every moment of our lives, often without us realizing it. In Zen, breath is not simply the exchange of air, it is the bridge between body and mind. The anchor that steadies us in a world of endless noise. Think about a typical day in America today. You might wake up, glance at the phone, answer a flood of emails, rush through breakfast, sit in traffic, and then spend hours in front of a computer screen. By the time evening arrives, your shoulders are tense, your jaw clenched, and your mind scattered in 1,000 directions. What you probably have not noticed is that your breath has been shallow all day long. Short, tight breathing is the body's silent response to stress, and over time it fuels fatigue, anxiety, and restless sleep. Zen teachings remind us that mindful breathing is not a luxury. It is a lifeline. With every slow and conscious inhale, you invite calm into your body. With every gentle exhale, you release the grip of tension. This practice is not about escaping life but returning to it more fully. In a single breath, the present moment opens wide, offering you a place to rest. Science now echoes what Zen has taught for centuries. Studies show that shallow breathing raises cortisol levels and keeps the nervous system in a constant state of alert. Deep, diaphragmatic breathing lowers blood pressure, calms the heart, and clears the mind. But beyond the numbers, what truly matters is how it feels. Imagine pausing in the middle of a busy day, closing your eyes, and taking 3 slow breaths. Suddenly, you feel grounded. The chaos outside does not vanish. But inside, something softens. For Americans in midlife and beyond, this is more than a technique. It is a return to balance in a culture that often pulls us away from ourselves. Breath is not just survival. It is a reminder that peace is never far. It is right here, moving in and out, waiting for us to notice. 2. Breath as the natural medicine for sleep and emotional healing. When night falls, many people in America lie down hoping for rest, but instead find themselves wide awake. Thoughts race, the heart feels unsettled, and the glow of the clock only adds to the pressure of not sleeping. For millions, the solution has become a bottle of pills on the nightstand. Yet deep inside, many know this path is not sustainable. What if the medicine we truly need is already within us, flowing quietly with every breath? Zen teaches that night is not just the end of the day, it is an invitation to return home to ourselves. Through mindful breathing, we can cross the bridge from a restless mind to a calm body. Slow, intentional inhales and long, releasing exhales signal the parasympathetic nervous system to take over, telling the body it is safe to let go. In this way, breath becomes a natural sedative, a healer without side effects. Imagine a woman in her 50s, lying in bed after a demanding day. Instead of scrolling her phone or reaching for medicine, She places a hand on her belly and feels it rise and fall. She inhales slowly through her nose, counts to 4, and exhales to 6. With each cycle, her body softens, the weight in her chest eases. Tears that had been waiting behind her eyes finally flow. And in that release, healing begins. Within minutes, sleep arrives, not forced, but welcomed. Breathing for sleep is more than technique, it is a way of caring for emotions that often stay hidden during the day. When we breathe with awareness at night, old fears, grief, and loneliness can surface, and the breath gives them space to dissolve gently. Healing does not come from resisting our emotions but from breathing with them, allowing them to move through us like clouds across a sky. For those seeking peace in midlife, this practice offers freedom, no dependence on prescriptions, no chasing after quick fixes, just the simple, profound rhythm of breath guiding us into rest and renewal. Your breath is the medicine you have been searching for, always available, always free. Before we move into the final part of today's journey, I want to offer you a small but meaningful suggestion. If something in these words has touched your heart, if this message resonated with you, help us kindly press the like button. Your support helps spread peace and wisdom to others. Then consider gently pressing the save button and adding this video to your watch later playlist. Think of it as placing a smooth stone in your pocket during a quiet walk, a reminder you can return to whenever life feels heavy, or when your mind longs for stillness. With one click, you create a path back here without the noise of searching, without the rush of time. Later, when the world outside is too loud, you can simply open that list, and this space will be waiting, calm, familiar, ready to meet you again. Let's continue with the next part. Three. Breath as the Zen path to peaceful living. Breath is not only for survival, not only for healing, but also for living with meaning. In Zen, every breath is an opportunity to touch life deeply, to transform the ordinary into the sacred. This is where mindful breathing becomes more than a practice, it becomes a way of being. Picture yourself walking through a quiet neighborhood at dusk. The air is cool, the trees are still, and you begin to notice your steps in rhythm with your breath. Suddenly, the walk is not just exercise, but meditation in motion. Or imagine sitting at the dinner table, taking one mindful breath before you eat. The food tastes richer, gratitude naturally arises, and for a moment, life feels whole. These are not grand rituals, but small ways breath brings Zen into daily living. For many Americans today, spiritual life often feels distant or complicated, tied to institutions or heavy doctrines. Zen offers another path, one that is simple and accessible. It reminds us that peace is not found in faraway retreats but in the very act of breathing here and now. Through Zen breathing practice, you do not need to escape your busy world. Instead, you bring peace into it, moment by moment, breath by breath. This approach does not remove challenges. Bills still need to be paid. Relationships still carry tension. Health still requires care. But with each mindful breath, your perspective shifts. Life no longer feels like a battle to endure but a flow to join. Breath teaches patience, acceptance, and the gentle courage to be present. It is here that true freedom begins, not in changing everything outside, but in discovering stillness inside. As we close this journey, remember that your breath is more than air. It is your medicine, your anchor, your path to peace. Tonight, tomorrow, and every day after, let it guide you toward balance and healing. If this message resonates with you, I invite you to continue walking this path together. Subscribe to Buddhism in You, where each video is a gentle reminder that within your breath lies the power to rest deeply, to heal naturally, and to live fully.